Hey hippies, welcome, and welcome back. It's Courtney Shavante here, and I'm here to show you guys how I mix up my all natural oil that I use for my hair and for my body. So I mix my own up oils every single time, and what I do to start out is I get an old oil bottle so that way I can make sure it's good for oil and it's not going to spill, and I fill it about halfway to 3/4 full of the olive oil. I love the olive oil because it's a great base oil to start out with. Next, I'm going to come in using some hemp oil that I have here. I found this one at a local store, but feel free to use whichever one that you are comfortable with. And I'm going to add about 1 to 2 dropperfuls full of this hemp or CBD oil. Next, I have this Kukui nut oil. Now, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly. However, it does have a lot of great benefits and everything, which I will have listed on this video for you, so that way you can see everything too. And I'm just going to add about 2 to 3 dropperfuls full of that oil. Next, I'm coming in with black seed oil, and if you are into the natural holistic community, you already know black seed oil is the cure for everything except for death. So you definitely need that in your life. Alright, so next I'm going to come in with some carrot seed oil. Love the carrot seed oil. It's really thick and it's full of different nutrients as well, so it's great for fall skincare. I'm also going to be using some tea tree oil too. Since this is an essential oil, I'm going to be adding about 10 to 20 drops of this, and the amount of oil that I have is going to, kind of help dilute it and everything as well. Next, I have the rosehip oil here, and I'm just going to be adding about 2 to 3 dropperfuls full of this oil as well. And then from there, you're going to go ahead and start topping this off. You're going to top the rest of this oil off using the avocado oil. The avocado oil is nice and thick, and it's so perfect for this time of year because it's going to really get in there, and it's really going to really help you seal everything and make sure that all the other thinner oils are able to penetrate your skin along with your lotions and moisturizers. So if you enjoyed this and you want to see more of this, make sure you definitely let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to shake your oil up, and this is pretty much it. Very simple, and I will catch you guys next time.